guys. Well, it's official. I'm famous. Oh my gosh. I went down to the post office today to send a few orders, and I was talking to the lady at the counter, and then she said, "Are you Bonny? Are you Bonny and Clive?" And I said, "Yes." And she said, "Oh, I watch all your videos. I'm going to tell my husband I met you." And she comments sometimes. And yes, I do remember a few comments from you, Barbara. And yeah, she recognized my voice. So, Barbara, that was a big surprise. You caught me totally by surprise. I never expected in a million years that my itty bitty little YouTube channel that somebody would recognize my voice. Yeah, from one of my videos, especially since I don't have a unique or memorable voice. But it was so funny. And anyway, Barbara, I'm still laughing about it. Honestly, I got out of the post office and I rang my friends Paul and James, and we had a good laugh about it. And I told them, "You guys, you better get my autograph now because, you know, I'm famous." Anyway, it was so funny. Barbara, you're the third person now actually I've met in the junk journal community that lives in my area, which is really surprising because I just think it's funny. I don't know. Anyway, you're the third person I've met. I've got a lovely lady who lives down the road to me, like 5 minutes away. Fiona. Hi, Fiona. And another lady, her name is Kat. Hi, Kat. She lives not too far away as well. And you're the third person I've met, Barbara, but you're the first person that's ever recognized my voice, and you'll probably be the last. Yeah, too funny. I can't stop laughing. Anyway, I'm famous. There we go. The news is out. Anyway, so Barbara knows that I'm a recycler, and she gave me these. She said, "Do you want these?" These are just little community newsletters. I did get one in my mailbox. It's something that our local council puts out. And there's a nice old photo. I mean, it's glossy, but you can put some matte medium over it. I think there, nice little bird drawing there, and some stargazing ones. So yes, Barbara, thank you. I will put these to good use. Maybe make some little trashy journals, or I don't know, little junky style art journals. I don't know. I'll think of something. But it was too funny. So thank you, Barbara. So lovely to meet you. Oh, we should do a little. Oh, let's do a sneaky little giveaway. Okay. Tell me in the comments box below, what's your claim to fame? Because this is mine. What's your claim to fame in the comments box below? And I don't have a prize because this, I just decided to do it on the spur of the moment. But we'll make it a mystery prize. I'll send you a little mystery prize. So yeah, tell me in the comments box below, what's your claim to fame? And I'll pick one name at random and you'll win a little mystery prize. Anyway, sorry, Barbara. Why did you have to catch me today as well when I was dressed like an absolute hobo? I haven't even had a shower and it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've been moving boxes and stuff downstairs. So my husband is going to occupy half of my new crafty room, which is my garage. It's a double garage that we converted, and I'll have one half, he'll have the other half. So my son and I were moving boxes down, some of my junk and some of my husband's junk down all day today, so I haven't had a shower. I'm actually in my crafty cardigan, which is one that just lives in my craft room. It's covered in paint, it's all stretched, it's disgusting. My hair's up in a ponytail, it's all fuzzy like cotton balls. And yes, Barbara, you caught me on a real hobo day. Actually, although that's always how I look, so don't worry. Anyway, so lovely to meet you. And yeah, go in my Sneaky giveaway, everyone. Tell me your claim to fame because I would love to hear it. I know these sort of things are always like so funny, and I would love to hear your claim to fame story. That's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.